Take a job, Toyota 2001, and I need to make a key. Customer have lost key, and for the making key, I need to use a passenger door lock of the unlocking. I don't have a side screw, and for the making key, I need a code, but code right here. And for this one, I need to take off door panel and take a door lock and make a key. Let's go.
Woohoo!
Okay, let's go. I'm doing first time this one, and looking this easy or not. Take off his coins. Let's see. Which is cool. Okay. Gadgets. Okay, I have done this key. Check. This work. This work. This work. And let's start car. Yeah, that's good. That's it. And let's check how much I can charge the customer for this key for 50 cents.